I'm not even dropping any frames on streaming. What is this? Why is this happening? Welcome to, we can't connect to the internet. That was actually, that was a pretty good battle, the last one. I still might put that in a video. It depends if we can get on a few more, because we don't have many that we've done, because we have to keep reconnecting and doing all this stuff. A pain in the butt. Pain in the butt. Pain. Okay. We at least need 2 more battles. So I gotta get at least 4 battles. I was hoping to get more than that, so we can have some decent battles go up. Actually, I've done 3, so I guess we only need 1 more. Although 1 was a disconnect. Let's see. What can we get today? Can we find anybody? These disconnects are really affecting our losses. It's really bad. Where are the people? What are we doing? Just waiting for somebody. I feel like it's gonna say, oh, there we go. 13-11. So, it's kind of like half the team that we just faced. Tyranitar, Lando, Lele, Zapdos, Kartana, and Melodic. So what do we want to lead with here? His own Lele. I'm thinking he might bring the Kartana, so what do we have for the Kartana? That is a good question. What is it? Grass and Steel? I guess. Maybe we go... Maybe we just go Lele and Metagross. I think I like Ludicolo and Thundurus. I mean, I'm thinking... He's gonna lead... I'm just gonna say, if we get to disconnect this, I think the stream is done today. That'll be it. Okay. I mean... I just want to bring out the power here with the Metagross. Okay, Lele Zapdos. I could deal with that. I could deal with that. What are you gonna want to do here? Psychic Surge is up. So you had Psychic Surge. And that raised his defense, right? Special defense. Okay. Good to know. I guess I just Moonblast that. No Omega. Is Zapdos a problem? How much time do we have? Is Zapdos a problem? Where's the Lele problem? What do we bring in the back again? The Zapdos is the bigger problem. For our back, at least. For the Ludicolo, Thundurus. And Lele protects. Probably to get the Tailwind up. Maybe we should have doubled into the Zapdos. Why did we not Mega? Did I click off Mega? Nothing's really going to want to take an Ice Punch. Even if Zapdos switches out. I don't know if we would have got the knockout with that. We might have. Thunderbolt. Alright, as long as Metagross you live this. We'll be able to knock out the Zapdos. We're already slow anyway. That does a decent chunk. What are you bringing in? Tyranitar, Lando, Kartana, or Melodic? Maybe Lando. Kartana, actually. You got Melodic, Tyranitar, Landorus in the back. I think we're gonna go for the... No, I think that was a bad play. I think that was bad. Metagross isn't a threat to him. Well, I mean, Metagross could Iron Head the... Oh my goodness. Lele, you crazy monster. Let's focus Ash. That's fine, because what we end up doing is the Ludicolo can fake out the Kartana. No! What is...